Well, look what we have here. The 2019 iPad mini and the first gen Apple Pencil. Let's do some unboxing. Alright, so let's check out the outside of the box. You know, with any Apple products, you know, the boxing is real simple. Not much going on here. This is the space gray color. 64 gigs, Wi-Fi only. Let's just open it up. And with any Apple product, you know, they make it really simple to unbox it, so I don't need my handy dandy unboxing knife. Just quickly pull this tab, make it real easy to get this open. Throw this to the side. All right, let's just crack it open, see what we got. Anytime now, Joe. Anytime now. Guess they don't make it that easy for you. All right, here we go. Woo! That thing is looking pretty on top. I like this wrapping it has on there. So we're gonna put this to the side for right now and see what else we have in here. Of course, they're designed by Apple, and this is just the normal books. Yeah, won't need that. It's an iPad. We all know how to use one. Huh? No stickers? Oh, here we go. Some white stickers. That's cool. Anything else is in here? Nothing else. Alright, so we got a charging brick. Take this wrapping off this. Oh! That was supposed to go happen like that. Okay, that was a quick slip up, but yeah, you got the charging brick. 12 watts. Right there. And we have the lightning cable. It is not USB Type-C like the iPad Pro, but lightning cable, it'll do. It's fine. Okay, nothing else in the box, so let's drop that over here inside. And now let's bring back the main event over here, and let's unwrap this thing. Ooh, that sounds good. Oh. Like, even though this is the old design, I'm really loving the space gray color. And this thing still looks good. I mean, I would have preferred this to have the iPad Pro design with the slimmer bezels, but as old as this design is, it still looks good. So let's take a look around on the device. The volume rockers are the same location. Still have the lightning adapter, but the headphone jack is on top. And this is probably one of the reasons why I wanted the iPad mini instead of the Pro, is just because it still comes with the headphone jack and the power button. Has the camera on the back. I mean, no one really uses a camera on an iPad, but what mostly is being used is the camera on the front, and I think that is a 5 megapixel camera. All right, so let's see if this has any power. Start it up. Oh, there we go. Give it a second and let it start up. Let me wipe off some of these fingerprints. All right, give me a second, put my information in there, start it up and see how it looks. Okay, so one of the things that I also like about it, that it still has Touch ID. And I prefer Touch ID over Face ID. Just for my use case, it works much better to have this than Face ID. I'm more so got this just to use with my drone. So yeah, I just got this mainly just to use my drone, and having a Touch ID will make it a little better than using Face ID in my opinion. But you know, I'll test it out and see how it works. But and also another main reason why I got this is also just to use with the Apple Pencil. Oh, what's going on? Pull out the Apple Pencil because I really like the Apple Pencil support. Wonder if it should automatically work, or do I need to do any kind of pairing? Oh, so I gotta stick it in. Also wish it would have came with the support for the 2nd gen pencil, because the 1st gen has this. I really feel like this is so dumb to have it plug into the bottom like this. Like it can really break very easily. So I don't even know how to connect this thing. Give me a second. And I wish it would have came with support for the 2nd gen pencil, but let's go ahead and pair it. Oh, damn. Battery's dead. So it's either I guess I have no choice but to keep this in here and let it charge. Oh my, so silly. But anyway. Oh, it's working. But yeah, I really like having the pen support. It should come in handy. I'm probably gonna lose this thing too. So just a quick comparison with the iPad from 2012. Like, this not gonna do a full review and a full comparison, but just give a quick glimpse. The newer one is just a tad bit slimmer and a little taller. It's almost 100% identical. Of course, this doesn't have the Touch ID. See, it's missing the mute switch. That's interesting. It really does not have the mute switch. The bottom layout is still the same. The little holes in the bottom are a little different, but this is from 2012. This is like the first iPad mini, and the design is almost untouched. The design is pretty much the same, but there are some internal changes that were made. Apple A12 Bionic chip in there, so that's a pretty fast processor, like the same processor that's in the iPad, the iPhone XS. This has also Wi-Fi 5 and support for the Apple Pencil and Touch ID. So not much change, and it also has a better screen. Oh. So definitely has a better screen, is really responsive, but I'm gonna put it through its paces. You know how I do. Put it through its paces, hook it up to the drone. Just probably 90% of what I'll be using this for is a screen for my Maverick Pro 2. using it with my controller. Yeah, but in my full review, I'll cover more of that. But yeah, I'll probably watch a couple videos with this too. Nothing too serious. That's it. I just want to do a really quick unboxing and give my first impressions of the 2019 iPad mini. Give me about a week or two. I'm gonna put it through its paces, test it out with the drone, see how these new internals hold up in 2019. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And catch me in the next video. I'm out.